Hey guys, I am so excited for today's video. It's going to be the Beautylish Lucky Bag XL unboxing for 2024. I have ordered the Lucky Bag several years in a row, but this is my first time ever getting the XL. And let me tell you, it was expensive, $183, including taxes and shipping. So very, very pricey. But I'm excited. It's just for fun. These go on sale the day after Christmas every year, and I love makeup and beauty products, so I'm excited. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. Stick around for more. Let us know, did you get the Beautylish Lucky Bag, the regular, or the XL? And let's get into this. Okay, here is the box, and I was so excited that this came today because originally when it shipped, it said it wasn't going to get here for a couple more days. And then it got here, so I'm just like threw on some makeup and I am ready to film this video. So anyway, Beautylish Lucky Bag, let's just do this. I'm ready. I am beyond excited. Okay, it's all kind of clumped together. So I'm trying, oh yeah, it's all like this. I'm trying not to look. I'm trying not to look while I open it. I want to be surprised. It's more fun that way. Okay. I undid the whole thing that's happening here. Let's start with this. You Beauty the Plasma Lip Compound. I don't even know what that means. Ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and at the end, I will tally up the value and have that up on the screen. Okay. It says, apply a small amount to lips, spreading evenly as needed for external use only. Okay, thank you. Like a lip treatment. Great. It's winter. My lips are dry. I'm all for trying that. All right, what is this? Of course, every year they have something from Good Molecules. Every year, no fail. This is their hyaluronic acid serum. I actually have not tried this. The things I've tried from Good Molecules, I like. I would say I prefer the ordinary, but you know what? I love a good hyaluronic acid serum, so I'm totally... See if I can open this. Yeah, it's a hyaluronic acid serum. This is something I use in my evening skincare routine, so I'll definitely be using this. Pretty good. I'm excited about that. All right, let's see what this is. R&Co. This, I got a product from them last year in the Beautylish Lucky Bag, and I haven't really used it a whole lot. Interesting. This is called Dallas, and it is the Biotin Thickening Treatment. I have been trying to grow my hair out and so far succeeding, but I want it to grow a little bit more and I want to keep it healthy. So let's see, how do you use this? Hold on. Okay, it says apply to hair after washing, leave on for 5 minutes and rinse. It's supposed to be a mega thickening treatment to help build texture for long-lasting voluminous effect. Okay, I'm excited. I want to try that. That's... Like I said, I'm all for hair products. All right, let's see what this is. This looks like it's Wayne Goss. And I got one of these Wayne Goss palettes. Can't remember if it was last year or the year before. And I know people love them. I wasn't that impressed. Like, I thought it was fine, but I ended up decluttering it at some point. But hopefully this is at least a different one. Oh, this is the Weightless Veil Blush palette. So previously I got an eye palette. Okay, I'm more excited about that. Hold on, let me open this. Okay, after much struggling, I got this open and it's a duo. So it's got a blush that's called Dusty Rose and a highlighter called Honeysuckle. So here it is. Let's just do some swatches because why not? I'm having fun. Actually, I'm really excited about this, I have to say. These definitely look like colors I would like. And very pretty peachy blush. Nice highlighter, doesn't look chunky. Okay, I'm excited for it. And I'm definitely happy that I got this over one of the eye palettes since I tried one before and I wasn't impressed. Okay, there is like stuff all over the floor and I'm making a giant mess around me, but it's fine. Okay, another Wayne Goss product, the lip liner. You guys, I love lip liner. I am so into lip liner in the past year. I'm excited. I got one of his lipsticks last year and I do like it. Let's see. I love lip liner. This is the shade Sepia lip liner. It is my thing. And this is like a brown tone. This is really, really something I'm excited about. Awesome. My kind of shade. I love lip liner. So far, I'm happy. All right. I got a little Viseart palette. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. This is exciting. This is the Petite 4 in Violetta. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay, let's see. Here it is. Ooh, that's pretty. Taupey, purple. Okay, let's do some swatches. Hold on, there's like a plastic thing over it. Again, the mess around me. You know what? I should go back and open that. I will do that. Hold on. Let me just swatch the eyeshadows first. Ooh, that one looks nice. Okay, there's two of the shadows there. They look pretty. I do have other Viseart palettes and I like them, and I don't have this one. And look at it, it's so little and cute. And I think this color story it's really pretty, and it's not something that I have a lot of in my collection. So I'm excited. Okay, here is that lip treatment. Kind of a large box for like a little tube like this, but whatever, it's fine. Ooh, one of these like metal applicators. Ooh, I would put this on, but I'd get my lipstick all over it, so I won't do that. But I'm assuming it's gonna be like a clear product. Okay, it has like a light pink tint. All right, I'm excited for that. I have dry lips, and so far, the exciting thing is I don't have any of these products. I have a large makeup collection, so that can definitely happen when you order something like this. Let's see what this little thing is. Oh, I've heard about this. This is Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchie. And I admit I kind of like have stopped completely using scrunchies and hair ties at all since I got this clip at Target. You've been watching my videos for the last few months. If I don't have my hair down, I wear it in a clip like this and it stays in place. Like I work out with this. I wear it to work like all day, and it has little rubberized like things on the inside of it so it doesn't slide out of my hair. And I just feel like it's less pressure than a hair tie. If I can get this open, hold on. Okay, here it is. I mean, it looks cute. You know, I mean, I should try it. All right. What is this? A Sonia G brush. I was hoping to get a Sonia G brush. So I have gotten two others in Beautylish Lucky Bags in the past, and I don't have this one. I've never like bought a Sonia G brush. The only ones I have, which I have two others, like I said, are from the Lucky Bag, and these are expensive brushes. This is the blender. Oh, yay. I'm pretty thrilled, I have to say, because this looks like an awesome brush for blending. I mean, hey, I'm blending eyeshadow every time I'm wearing eyeshadow, or at least attempting to blend eyeshadow. Okay. Trying to feel, yeah, there's only, I think, two things left from what I can tell. What is this? Suzanne Kaufman body butter. Suzanne, who are you? But I bet you're fancy. Okay, body butter. Winter, it's freezing. I could use a body butter. My hands are like so dry. Just throwing that on the ground. There's gonna be a giant mess. Okay. Ooh, it's from Austria. Okay, Suzanne. Okay, Suzanne, I'm excited. If I can open this. All right. Oh, hold on. It's got this thing on it. Everything, you do these unboxings, it's like, it's a lot of work. Oh, actually that came off easily. Just gonna put that here. Just making a mess. Does it smell is my question. It smells very fresh. It reminds me, this somehow smells like Bath and Body Works in the 90s, when I was like in elementary and middle school, and cucumber melon was all the rage. I don't hate it though, but there's definitely cucumber in this. There has to be. I threw the box. There's got to be. This is like 1990s cucumber melon. I'm for that. I'm really for that, and I hope it's moisturizing. Really nice, like glass jar. Really, really cool. So, okay, Suzanne, I am excited for your Bath and Body Works scent. Okay, I think there's only one thing left, and it feels like it's some sort of palette. My only hope is that it's a palette I don't have, but if I have it, I don't. Oh, oh my gosh. I'm excited, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and say I got a good bag. I did. Danessa Myricks Groundwork. Funny because I recently asked you guys what were some of your favorite products from 2023, and I think at least one or two people mentioned this palette. I have been wanting to try more from Danessa Myricks, and wow, I'm really excited because I don't have this. I don't have it. Wow, look at this. That is nice. Ooh, really cool packaging. Okay, hold on. All right, here it is. This has been out for a while. You've seen it before. And so basically what I've seen from other people is that this can be used as like eyeshadow, eyeliner, brows. It's supposed to be kind of multi-use. And it looks like these pop out and they're magnetic too, from what I can tell. So you've got sandstone, core, what does that say? I can't. Desert? Mirage. That one has a bit of shimmer, or is that just frost? It's just, this sat outside all day because this must have gotten delivered this morning, and my husband and I were at work. So that is frost. That is not shimmer eyeshadow. Never mind. I was like, wait, yeah, I thought this was an all matte palette, but wow. I'm excited to play with this. And neutrals, I mean, I feel like this is something I could get a lot of use out of, and I'm really excited about this. It looks stunning. Okay, let's recap. The Groundwork palette, awesome. Like I said, I'll put the total up on the screen. This lip treatment, which I'm pretty thrilled about. The Wayne Goss lip liner, lovely color. The little Viseart palette, so cute. A Sonia G brush, amazing. And again, I don't have any of these products, which is awesome. The Wayne Goss Duo, very, very pretty. And the scrunchie, which like whatever, take it or leave it. I don't really care about that. This I'm actually excited about, the biotin hair treatment and the hyaluronic acid. So I feel like these are all things that I would use. Like there was one year where I got like false lashes. I never wear false lashes. But again, it's a lucky bag. You don't know what you're going to get. That's the fun in it. But I do feel like I kind of got lucky because I'm really, really excited. These are products that interest me and I don't have already. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Definitely most excited about this, the Sonia G brush and the Viseart palette. Maybe the lip liner. But, oh, and the fancy body butter. I forgot about the fancy body butter. Suzanne Kaufman, Bath & Body Works, 1995. I'm really excited about it though. I really, really am. So that is it. Let us know. Did you guys get the Beautylish Lucky Bag, the regular or the XL? Like I said, this was my first time getting the XL. So I haven't done the math. I don't know the value, but I'll put that up on the screen. But I gotta say, I mean, it was expensive. I mean, I spent $183 on this. So it's not like, you know, I spent like 30 bucks and got all this. So yeah, that is it. Let us know what you think. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.